Sorry, there was a network delay and I had to stop the recording. We were talking about the button interaction. So once you click on the button and go to the interactions, and let us do it all together again. Click on the button. I'm just deleting this. Click on the button, go to the interactions, new interactions, select click or tap, open a link, and select link to the external URL. The URLs are given in the button column of the item. Hence, we need to write down the array as item dot button, and in the more options we are going to select the pop-up window or a new window and then click on OK. Now let us preview and see. Now when you click on the button, the video or the external URL have been redirected. Let us check the third button. Second button, it is redirecting us to the second URL, and the third one, this one is, yeah, all three buttons are working perfectly. But if you see here, their URLs are directly being displayed as a caption to the button. We do not want this. We want the button to have the caption as play. So what we're going to do is we are going to create, let me check if the recording is going correctly. Yes, seems to be. Okay, so now we are going to create an external global variable. So go to the project, click on global variables and click on add, and I can say var1, and the default value will be play because I want to display play on the button caption. Click on OK. Now I have to link the button with the variable name that we stored inside the global variable var1. So add an action, okay, and set the text of the button to the value of a variable var1. So the target is button. It is like whatever is stored inside variable 1, its value should be kept on button as a caption. So click on OK, and this should have this should be done on load. So set the variable. Okay, so let us see. It doesn't work because we want to do this when the page is when the page gets loaded. So what we are going to do is we are going to add action when the page is loaded. So set the text or widget. Okay, let us add a new one, loaded. Okay, so on load of this page, set the text for the button coming from a value of a variable from var1. So we do not need this now because we are going to set it with a page load. So whenever the page is loaded, we want to set the caption of the button. So we go and click the play button. So you see the button is named as play when the page is loaded, and then when I click on it, the URL is starting. So this is how you create a repeater where we display the items of a repeater comprising of different widgets inside it, and we also saw how to link the interactions with the widgets inside an item. We also saw the layout and the design. With this said, you should be fine to create create the repeater list displaying the weather in different countries, 5 different cities, countries, 1 2 3 4 5. And if you see here, each item is being divided into 3 columns. One is the weather image, another one is the name of the country and the city in H1, and the type of the weather there, and then the temperature in number. So this is the lab task that you are supposed to do as the homework. I hope the video is helpful. Please follow along the video and solve the class exercise and the lab task as well. Thank you for watching.